Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is how to change Instagram notification sound. So let's open Instagram and click on the little profile icon on the right side below. And now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to settings and click on the notifications. And we can see the Instagram notification options. We have various options here to either turn them on or off, but we can't actually change the notification sound here. Instagram doesn't give us that option in the settings app. Now let's exit this and open settings app on our devices. And now go to apps. Then go to manage apps. Search Instagram. Go to notifications. And here you can see various of options to change the notification sounds. For example, you go here in Instagram Direct, and there you can change the notification sound that you preferred. And you can do this in so on and so forth. So that's how you change the Instagram notification sounds. I hope that you learned something, and if you have questions, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and like.